Hi guys, Enda here from TrendSpotter. Up 1,290 today on 5 trades. Let's dive right in. So, excuse me, went live with the chat room today, and in my desperation to impress, I kind of overtraded a little bit. Should have kind of followed the rules and known better, but I didn't. And anyways, fine, we're still green on the day, but I'll show you what happened. So, on the 2 minute chart in Roku, my first trade was 942. Now, this is completely against my rules, okay? But I did it anyways because I thought I should trade. But normally what happens is I would wait for this to kind of go green, and then we'll take the long, and then we'll take the short, and then we'll take the long short, etc., etc. But so what happened was I saw this kind of coming down here, and it broke up, hit the VWAP, and I mentioned it. I said, oh, look, it's going to fade off the VWAP there. But anyways, this big candle came down. There was like a dollar candle. And 42 I got in here. And I got in anticipating the break of this candle here. So it was 124.62 was my entry. And I said it at the time, it'll probably be like a dollar pullback on this. Now this is kind of Roku's pushing up into that level anyways, where it's doing bigger moves. Sorry, I'll make that big screen there. It's doing bigger moves, and so we need to start thinking about giving it more room to play out. So 62 was my entry, and pulled back, and I was watching it and watching this buy, and I got out at 62 on the button, right there, a dollar stop loss. It went up 3 more cents and did the move. Oh, I was sour. I couldn't believe it. My first trade of the day, and I was out by 3 cents. And I'd already kind of gone past my 50-cent usual anyways. I was giving it a dollar. What I should have done, in hindsight, was giving it to the MACD. And that would, if I had calculated that in advance, if I was faster, then I would have entered much higher. And that would have been, anyways, shoulda, woulda, coulda, didn't. So I was down a dollar on the first trade. And then I kind of saw it come back down, and I saw it failing again. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to give this another stab here. So 950, got in again for a short at 950. Now again, so broke the rules twice, but sure, they were broken at this stage. So 55 was my entry on this here. I wanted to make sure this time that it was breaking it. So 55 and got a dollar. Got a dollar and 7 cents. So right in there somewhere. Anyways, yeah, that was it done. So I was back to flat on the day. So that was fine, right? Third one then. Should have stayed with Roku. Listen to myself tomorrow. So third one took a long on Roku. 58 in here. I got in. I think I got in actually. It's 57 there. So got in for a long position here. Again, didn't really follow the rules on this one. What I was doing was, really the entry was at 10 o'clock at 99.62. You can see it here, right? And that was yesterday's close. But I was kind of hesitating about it, so I got in when it broke the dollar. So I got in at like $100.03, and it's a shame I didn't follow the rules on this one because it came right up 91 cents, 94 cents. I think it was actually like 98 cents, but didn't trigger my dollar profit stop. If I'd gotten in on my rules, like following the rules, that dollar would have been an easy move. Look, $1.30. But I changed it midstream again. I'll have to like stop doing that. Anyways, but I got 32 cents on that. So it pulled back. It pulled back down here to just below entry. Then it bounced back up, and when it started fading again, I pulled out. I said, no, I'm taking my 32 cents. I got out at, yeah, just in here. Okay, next I took Roku then for a short. So while I was in that, Roku was doing this, so I got in our short here. 10.14 short of 123. So short position in here, and the 123. So again, I should have got in a little higher. I don't think it actually, the indicators turned. I called it out in the room at like 123.20, and I said I'm going to get in a 123 short on the break, and it broke. And I got a dollar on that. Now that, again, that was a big move. Could have got way more, but I got, yeah, I think it was just a $1.03, I think it was. So I was up on the day there, and I was kind of happy, and I said, you know what, I'll take another one. And I broke the rules again. So all I was doing was breaking rules today, except I didn't break the rules on Roku there. But I took a trade on Beyond short at 10.24, right here. Now, short, in hindsight, not even in hindsight, the system had me in back here, but I kind of chased it in, and then I should have got out here, right here. The system had me going long here, right, which was 99.58, let's say. So if I had closed my position, and I would have only been down what did I get in at there? I got in at 99.20. 99.20, so like nice, and I could have got out at 99.40. I could have got long at 99.60 and made 92 cents, you know, maybe about 50 cents over here. So like not a great move in general. I lost 50 cents on that anyways. I lost the full 50 cents on that, and I should have got out. My indicators were telling me to get out. I didn't get out. I also could have got out or got short here again, but I was kind of done. I'm going to push it on my first day in the chat room. But that was it. So I have 2 losers and 3 winners, and up 1,290 on the day. Back out tomorrow morning in the chat room. I hope you guys enjoyed it that was in today. And we'll be admitting more people to the chat room later on in the week for their trial. And okay, talk to you in the next one.